What up, YouTube? Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bobby Land and this is Witness Riders. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. Look, I'm on my way to show you guys something very special here. I think it's the very first one in Huntsville. I'll find out when I get over there, but I want to keep that a surprise. So until we get there, guys, woo, I'm excited. But when we get there, you'll see the rest of the video. All right, guys, so I gotta get my short fat butt in this car here. You know, when you got door envy and you got good friends like Matt over here, man, I don't know, dude. And then thank you, Mr. Is it Thompson? Mr. Thompson, thank you for letting Matt take me for a ride in this. And I just hate that you're sending this beautiful piece of machinery back, but we're gonna enjoy it while we can, get it good and clean for you to send back. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna show y'all the dash here, guys. This is just, I mean, we got this 360 stuff here so we can see all around us. Backup camera. I mean, this thing is clean. So Monica, you're not the only one that got to ride in the McLaren now. I'm getting my chance. Oh, and by the way, this is a 720, not a 570. Where'd they go? They say they were
out to the road.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see them. They're all the way over there.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn out right here and go that way.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'll make sure I blur the speedo. My God! Guys, I don't know if y'all can hear them turbos and that blow-off valve and all that beautiful stuff that's going on in this car, and this man driving it like this. I love you.
That's on YouTube.
That's on YouTube. Hey, what happens in the McLaren stays in the McLaren. Oh my gosh. World.
Like I said, it's smooth power.
Yes, that's what I'm not getting.
At first, it's just like, and then it starts to pull, and then you're just like,
I'm not used to that. I'm used to the you know, the noise and everything going on with it.
I'll turn right on space again. There you get it.
Gotcha. You know, you can drive it. You can push the other way and it downshifts.
Oh yeah, yeah.
No. You push this, push it out and it'll downshift.
That's weird. I would rather.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Because you can.
Well, they said they made it the vlogger's car, so you can.
First gear's not gonna hook up. So
Yeah.
leave that dream alone, but I'll try. And that's part of owning a supercar. That's it.
Fuel required. We'll go get him some gas. Guys, this is gonna be a short video, because all of it's just me happy, and I mean, he looks happy. I mean, I don't want to leave you out back here, brother, all by yourself. But Huracan, you're just going to have to wait a little bit because we got Mclarens. Well, anyway, guys, until next video, we look forward to you riding with us.
Dum